Hey, check out these anchors I installed in my garage ceiling. I'm using these for my gymnastics rings that I'm going to be using for home exercise. Yeah, check these things out. I can do push-ups with these. I can do pull-ups. This installation took me the good part of an afternoon, but it's going to be well worth it. I'm going to be using these daily, and I'm really looking forward to showing you what I did to get this done. Stay with me, and I'll show you the steps I took for this installation. Okay, the first step is to mark the location for the rings inside of the garage. I used blue tape to do this. And then I measured from the edge of the wall to the blue tape. Once I got that measurement, I transferred this to the ceiling. 68 3/4. And once I've got this measurement, then I can start locating the studs and drilling my holes. So I went ahead and drilled my other two holes, and I'm good to go. Okay, right here I'm just showing you how I used the anchor as a template to mark the second hole so that I wasn't drilling somewhere where I didn't need to be. So I now have an end product installed. Check me out. This is my test run. If there's one piece of home exercise equipment, this is it. Here I am using the TRX. So if you like this video, let me know in the comments below. I'll be featuring these gymnastics rings and this TRX that I'm using right here in future videos. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you'd like to follow along. Thanks a lot.